atau pertanyaan dari?
Halo.
So I'm gonna ask you question by the comment first, okay? When do Gia meet Mega?
The first time I met Mecca was at the Kobo competition with the Korean girls. When I first arrived in Korea, we went to watch the Kobo tournament. So it wasn't the V-League, it was Kobo with only the Korean girls, no foreigners. And it was really fun to watch, and that's when I got to meet Mega for the first time. And we sat together in the stadium and watched the game with Seoul, our translator. But before going to Korea, I think I messaged Mega or she messaged me and I asked her how was Korea, and she said, oh, it's very fun, I'm excited for you to come. So first was, I think, Instagram, then was Kobe.
Next question. What is your first impression about Indonesia? Who wants to answer first?
I can go first. I've
Okay.
been here the longest, I guess. I've been in Indonesia for 1 month now, and so far I've had very, very positive experience. I think we keep saying this over and over, but that's what it is. The people here are very friendly, welcoming, and positive. They always have fun no matter what, and I think just the culture is so different, but that's what makes it so much fun, because we already learned so much throughout this whole month, just exploring the culture, exploring Indonesia. Traveling to different cities also helps so much, like learning about culture, so it's been a lot of fun.
Woo, love.
My first impression isn't that long ago. I just arrived
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
Indonesian baby.
So yeah, my first impression is great so far. I'm having a great time. I'm really enjoying the start of this experience. But yeah, I have nothing bad to say. Really amazing. I really like the team here. I like the girls. Can't wait to see some more.
And my first impression, you never really know what to expect when you go to a different country. I mean, all of us can attest, like, I've kind of become just really open to the differences when I go to a new place. So this time I had a really cool season, and I was kind of in like a cloud. Like, I'm traveling to Italy, then I'm going to Indonesia. So I had no expectations, and the moment I arrived, Chloe arrived, Evie arrived, like, everyone is just so funny and loving and make sure all of our needs are met. Like, it's impossible to be uncomfortable here. Like, it's really impossible. They take care of everyone, so it's really, really good first impression.
Oke, jadi JP Fans tadi kata Poli itu dia apa namanya? First impressionnya suka banget sama culture di Indonesia. Terus kalau misalnya Ivy kan baru 4 hari di sini, jadi dia masih menyesuaikan diri juga. Nah kalau Gia
For half an hour on purpose.
No, I didn't know you were translating like us now. Okay, I said like I go to many places, so for me I have no expectations.
Oh, yeah.
It's different, but I really felt really comfortable here.
ya.
It was fun.
Gia itu
Udah travel berkali-kali.
ya udah travel berkali-kali dari kita di Indonesia, terus jadi nggak ada ekspektasi sama sekali di Indo, jadi dia nggak nyangka kalau bakalan bisa senyaman itu di Indonesia gitu. JPF Fans ada lagi.
You can definitely like translate right after we say.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're sorry.
What about your culture shock in Indonesia? Is there any culture shock?
I mean, yes, there's a lot of things that are different, but it's exciting. It's not a shock. It's not a culture shock, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, wow, I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
I don't know, I tried the snake food for the first time.
It's good, right?
It's good.
I love snake
I was like, I've never seen this, how do you eat it? I was like a child.
It's like an apple, but not.
No, No, but
Chris
also
and-
the people are so friendly that they're. Yeah, I didn't have a culture shock yet in the long time I've been here.
I agree. Like the people erased the culture shock.
Yes, they took away the stress of like
Yes.
being like, oh, what's coming, and then you come and you're
Kalau
here,
kalau
relax.
kalau kalau Ivy itu sebenarnya bukan culture shock sih, sebenarnya lebih ke perbedaan aja. Cuma kayak apa yang dia bayangin tuh ternyata lebih baik. Kayak kalau dia itu kayak suka salak snake fruit, right? Kayak ternyata ada buah itu salak snake fruit, ternyata enak banget, mereka suka gitu. Jadi terus orang-orang di sini juga friendly, jadi mereka kayak culture shocknya tuh agak diredam sama keramahan orang Indonesia kayak gitu. Next, ada lagi yang mau jawab? Is there any answer for culture shock?
I mean, you guys said it, I agree 100%. And I guess the food can be a part of the culture shock, but that's how every new country is. There's going to be different foods that you try. And they're new for you. The weather is, in a way, culture shock. I've never been in the weather. There was such high humidity and heat. Like playing volleyball in this weather is different. It's in a way culture shock. I think it's also very interesting learning about religion here, how big it is, and how you hear outside, right? All the yes, the prayers and the prayers. I guess I've been to Turkey before, so I've been exposed to this religion before. But again, it's a very different culture, religion that I don't have in my country. So in a way, it is new.
Untuk poli itu ya kalau misal makanan emang termasuk dari culture shock, tapi ya namanya di beda-beda negara ya pasti beda-beda juga makanannya. Terus selain itu juga cuaca, kalau di sini agak panas dan agak lembab, jadi ya untuk untuk Polivia dan Ivana kan biasanya di cuacanya lebih dingin, jadi ya agak sedikit berbeda aja gitu kan culture shock. Terus wait. Oh ya, is it hard to adapt with the culture and new team for you guys?
The girls here have been so friendly on the team that they've made it very easy to come in and start right away. I mean, it's always a challenge switching teams when you meet everyone, but the girls here have been so cool that they've made my job a lot easier to adapt, really.
And coaches too.
And the coaches also.
Mas
The
Yudi.
coaches are-
Mas
the coaches are
Yudi made
amazing.
it so easy.
They're the best. It's like, I'm like,
Kalau untuk adaptasi sama budaya Dantik, menurut Ivy enggak ya, karena apalagi Ivy kan baru join tuh in the middle of the match, right? You just join in the middle of the match, so the girls make it easier to bond.
I mean, I'm new. They've already played a couple of games, and we don't have a lot of time for me to